Using the image function in Excel can be incredibly useful for embedding images directly into cells. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to use it. Open Excel, start Excel and open the workbook where you want to insert the image. Select the cell, click on the cell where you want the image to appear. Enter the formula, use the following syntax for the image function, Excel equals image, URL, alt text, sizing, height, width, URL, the web address of the image you want to insert, in quotes. Alt text, optional the alternate text for the image, in quotes. Sizing, optional a number from 0 to 4 that defines how the image is sized within the cell. The options are 0, default size, fit the cell, 1, fill the cell, 2, maintain aspect ratio, fit inside the cell. 3, maintain aspect ratio, fill the cell, height, optional specify the height in pixels. Width, optional specify the width in pixels. Example usage, here's a practical example, Excel equals image, https://example.com/image.png, example image, 0. Adjusting image size, if you want to adjust the size of the image, Excel equals image, https://example.com/image.png, example image, 1, 150, 100, press enter. After entering the formula, press enter. The image should now appear in the selected cell. Resize the cell, if necessary. You can manually adjust the cell's height and width to better fit the image. That's it. You should now have an image embedded directly into your Excel sheet. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.